Hi, this video will introduce you to the Degree Audit Reporting System, sometimes referred to on our campus as the DARS, or simply the Degree Audit. The Degree Audit provides a list of courses you need to take in order to graduate from your program. This particular degree audit is set up for the Bachelor of Arts General. General means that it is a 3-year program, and the major is Liberal Arts and Professional Studies. The third line indicates which calendar you are following. So this particular degree audit is following the degree regulations for the Fall 2016 calendar. The Fall 2016 calendar can be found by going to uwindsor.ca/calendar. If you're wondering what a calendar is, it lists the programs, certificates, minors, and courses, transfer agreements if you're coming from another institution, also academic regulations, information about examinations, grading, and graduation. And here's all the different calendars from the past. So if you want to see if the rules have changed since you started, you are welcome to check it here at the calendar. When you're looking through the degree audit, there are a number of things that you want to verify so that you can check your progress towards graduation. First off, you want to check your average. In this particular instance, they list the cumulative average. This is all of the courses that you have taken are counted into this average. If you have taken a course twice, we take the second attempt of your course as the average and we get rid of your original attempt. The major average, well, this is calculated specifically to do with your major. So this can vary from one major to the next, so you'll want to check with your program advisor and the registrar's office if you have specific questions about this, but it is indicated in the calendar how major averages are calculated for each program. So you need to maintain your minimum average. If on your degree audit it says that you are on probation, that means you have fallen below the minimum average required to stay in the program. They give you a warning, and then after, if you have not been able to get your average up, they may require you to withdraw from the program. Next, it lists the courses that you must take in order to graduate. And so if we go through here, you'll see a number of courses throughout the degree audit. The first part actually lists how many courses you are allowed to take at which level. For example, 100 level courses, or first year courses, are limited to 16 courses in this particular degree, and this is how we list it. A lot of students ask what the star is. That is a variable. So the first 2 digits of a course indicate the faculty of that the course is in. The next 2 digits indicate the department. And then the next 3 digits indicate the specific course and what level it is at. So in this case, they're saying that you need 16 more courses that are at the 200 level, second year or above. So second year, third year, or fourth year. And you need to satisfy that requirement. So they want to make sure that you have those upper level courses. Residency. Residency indicates how many courses you have to take with the University of Windsor. So here they're saying you must take at least 10 courses from the second to the fourth year from the University of Windsor. They can be online courses, they can be in-class courses, but as long as they're from the University of Windsor, they will help to satisfy this particular requirement. The degree audit also lists specifically, I'm going to move through, in this particular case, if you're in this program, you're not allowed to take more than 8 courses from any one area. So they list actually every area on campus, and to make sure that you're not doing more than 8 courses in any one area. Here we get into requirements specific to the program, and so you have to follow these rules, and in this case there are some sub-requirements. So requirement 1, you must take 20 courses according to the following rules. So sub-requirement 1.1 is that you have to take 6 courses from arts and languages. So you will see here that the first 2 digits are from the arts and languages area on campus, so that is 01. The next 2 digits from any department within arts and languages, and the next 3 digits any course. And then they list some specific courses that you can take that will also satisfy that requirement. In requirement 1.2, for example, they want you to take courses from social sciences, economics, or organizational learning. So there's some specific courses that you can take that'll satisfy the requirement. Here, these are generic courses in the social sciences because it starts with O2. And then also we list economics courses because this is from the Faculty of Science, as it turns out. And the next 2 digits indicate that it is from the economics department. And the next 3 are there to say any course from economics will satisfy this particular requirement. Some of the requirements become quite specific. This one in particular are related to academic writing requirements. So you must take these specific courses: 01, 01, 150 and 01, 01, 151. And then there are other requirements which are quite a bit more broad, and they are listed under Other. And so here it says you must take 8 additional courses from any area of study. You may use this section to obtain a minor or a certificate. So here it lists any 100 level course through to any any upper level course. And then they also list exceptions in here. So you want to make sure that you're not taking any courses that are exceptions to the rule. If you want to know whether or not your courses are counting, after you've registered, come on to the degree audit and see which areas that those courses are satisfying. If they happen to fall to the bottom of the degree audit, there will usually be a statement below that says the following courses are not counting towards your degree. So that'll be a red flag for you. You'll want to go in and talk to an advisor about this and make sure that all the courses you are taking will count towards your degree. If you have more questions about your degree audit, you can talk to an evaluator at the Office of the Registrar or an academic advisor.